So hi there, 2-5 by the watch. Monday morning, Jashin Kapani, founder CEO, setup. I'm decor and design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So as the name says it all, we're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solution production stuff, which includes um, luxury and premium and quality furniture. There's corporate gifting items and there are semi-precious stone items and stuff. So as big as sofas, as big as wardrobes, as big as modular furniture, tables, chairs. What else? Center tables, side tables, coffee tables and stuff. And because we customize and we've done projects, the best part is that we can customize and we can make them as per your requirement and your preference and stuff. So that gives you the option of choosing your own material, or we can advise you on that and stuff and all. Okay. When it comes to corporate gifting items, we've got a range of stuff which is in stuff like bookends. There are coasters in marble, wood, look, semi-precious stone items, something like this. This is a gate. So this is an old one, I think about 8 years or something on my table. So we've got what else? We've got cutlery. We've got picture frames. We've got some nice, interesting for men and for lovers of chess. We've got these chess boards with storage in them, not in wood, but in leatherite and leather and other material also, and lots of stuff. There are lamps, there are trays, and lots of items. Really, I mean, you're going to love these. It's a personal and a professional favorite of mine, which is these nice purses, which are made for both men and women. They are magazine holders and stuff. There are these corporate gifting options where you have, wine and whiskey glasses, which are giveaways and stuff done in very stylish corporate boxes and stuff and all. And then we've got some tables which are inspired from inspired from the navy, from the helicopters and stuff. So there are tables in those. Then golf, so the base of tables are inspired from golf and stuff and all. And then comes the semi-precious series. So there are tables in those. There's furniture. There's jewelry in that. Um, and there are picture frames. There are vases. There's a series of lamps. So lamps are in plenty, which are at par as the ones that you get in Fab India or in international markets and stuff. Semi-precious stone item tables are like the Moroccan ones or the ones which are better than IKEA. So lots and lots of stuff. Now, my post is about, I've said all of this, and as I share this, I'm on a Monday morning already feeling sleepy. So, firstly, cheers on a nice cup of chai. I really preferred a coffee, though I'm feeling sleepy and stuff. So, as I'm thinking about having a coffee, let me first share about coffee because now, excuse me, with the weather change and everything, summers are going to be